Hello eco-warriors! We're diving into the world of conscious cleaning. Maintaining a clean and well-functioning oven is essential for any kitchen. However, oven cleaning can be a challenging and time-consuming task. Time-saving convenience. Focus on other tasks. Cleaning your oven can take up a significant amount of your valuable time. By hiring professionals, you can free up your schedule to focus on other essential tasks or simply relax. Letting experts handle the cleaning lets you make the most of your day. This is where professional oven cleaning services come to the rescue. The expertise of professional oven cleaners. Years of experience. Professional oven cleaners are equipped with years of experience and knowledge in handling various types of ovens. They understand different oven models' intricacies, allowing them to provide thorough and efficient cleaning services. Their experience ensures that your oven will be cleaned effectively and without damage. Proper cleaning techniques. One of the primary advantages of hiring professionals is their expertise in using the right cleaning techniques and products. They know how to tackle tough grease and grime buildup without causing harm to your oven's interior or exterior. Swift and efficient service. Professional oven cleaners work efficiently, ensuring that your oven is cleaned thoroughly in a relatively short time. You won't have to worry about spending hours scrubbing away stubborn stains when you can quickly get your oven back in top shape. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment and subscribe to watch more. Regular professional cleaning helps prevent wear and tear on your oven's components. Accumulated grime and dirt can damage sensitive parts, leading to costly repairs or replacements. By investing in professional cleaning, you can extend the lifespan of your oven and save money in the long run. Maintaining cooking efficiency. A clean oven operates more efficiently. It reaches and maintains the desired cooking temperatures more accurately, essential for achieving consistent and delicious results. Professional cleaning ensures that your oven performs at its best. Enhanced health and safety. Elimination of harmful residues. Over time, ovens can accumulate harmful residues, such as carbon monoxide and burnt food particles. Professional oven cleaning services use specialized techniques to eliminate these potentially dangerous substances. This ensures the safety of your kitchen environment and your family's health. Reduced fire risk. A clean oven is less likely to pose a fire hazard. Built-up grease and food particles can ignite under high temperatures, leading to dangerous situations. Hiring professionals to clean your oven reduces the risk of fire accidents and keeps your kitchen safe. Prolonged oven lifespan. Preventing wear and tear. They use environmentally safe cleaning agents and dispose of waste responsibly. By choosing professional services, you contribute to a cleaner and greener environment. Energy efficiency. A clean oven requires less energy to heat up and maintain the desired temperature. This results in reduced energy consumption and lower utility bills. Hiring professionals saves you time, helps you save money, and reduces your carbon footprint. Eco-friendly cleaning. Responsible disposal of cleaning agents. Professional oven cleaners are well-versed in eco-friendly practices. Oven cleaning involves the use of harsh chemicals and exposure to fumes. Without proper knowledge and safety precautions, DIY cleaning can pose health hazards to individuals, especially those with respiratory issues or allergies. Time-consuming process. Oven cleaning can be a time-consuming process when done DIY. It often involves scrubbing, soaking, and multiple rounds of cleaning, which can take up a significant portion of your day. Incomplete cleaning. DIY cleaning may result in incomplete cleaning, with areas of the oven remaining untouched. This can lead to ongoing odors, reduced cooking efficiency, and potential safety hazards. Reasons why DIY oven cleaning is not recommended. DIY oven cleaning often leads to inadequate cleaning results. Many commercial cleaning products available to consumers may not effectively remove tough grease and grime, leaving your oven less than spotless. Potential for damage. Inexperienced individuals attempting to clean ovens alone can inadvertently damage oven surfaces, heating elements, or seals. This can lead to costly repairs or even a new oven. Health hazards. Enjoy the benefits of a clean and well-maintained oven in your kitchen without the hassles and risks associated with doing it yourself. The advantages of hiring professional oven cleaning services are numerous and significant. These services offer many benefits, from expertise and time-saving convenience to improved health and safety. Investing in professional oven cleaning ensures your oven's longevity and efficiency and contributes to a cleaner and safer environment. Don't let oven cleaning become a burdensome chore. Take advantage of professional oven cleaners' expertise and efficiency, and avoid the pitfalls of DIY cleaning. Like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.